Hello student, today I am going to start your next chapter, that is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Okay, in previous video we have discussed about the alcohol, phenol and ethers. Now all of you observed that in previous chapter alcohol means R O H. Okay, where R is alkyl group. For example, CH3OH. Phenol, aromatic ring with OH group. Example, C6H5OH. Okay, ether, ROR. That is CH3OCH3. Okay, now in this example you look, carbon attached with oxygen by single bond. In all these example, carbon attached with oxygen by single bond. Carbon single bond oxygen, aromatic ring, carbon single bond oxygen, carbon single bond oxygen. Okay, now another type of compound in which carbon double bond oxygen are found. Okay, look here, in this case carbon single bond oxygen, but here carbon combined with oxygen by double bond. Compound which contain this group are known as carbonyl. Carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound or carbonyl group. Okay, so simply carbon double bond oxygen are known as carbonyl compound or carbonyl group. Now your chapter name is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Okay, so first question, what is aldehyde, ketone or carboxylic acid? So look here, aldehyde and ketone are those organic compound which contain carbon double bond oxygen, that is carbonyl compound, carbonyl group are known as aldehyde and ketone. Means simply, what is aldehyde and ketone? Aldehyde and ketones are those organic compounds which contain carbonyl group. Okay, now if both aldehyde and ketone contain carbonyl group, then how can we differentiate between aldehyde and ketone? So look here, carbon double bond oxygen. Okay, in case of aldehyde, the carbonyl group attached with carbonyl group attached with carbon and hydrogen, and hydrogen is necessary. Okay, now what is the meaning of this line? In case of aldehyde carbonyl group, the carbon of carbonyl group, okay, the carbon of carbonyl group attached with a carbon atom and hydrogen atom, and hydrogen atom is necessary. Means, look here, carbon double bond oxygen, the carbon of carbonyl group. So this carbon attached with carbon, carbon is alkyl group, and this carbon also attached with hydrogen atom, RCHO. Here R is alkyl group, and alkyl group means CH3, C2H5 and so on. So if we take CH3, COH. Okay, so look here, it can also be written as CH3. Okay, look here, the carbonyl compound, the carbon of carbonyl compound, the carbon of carbonyl compound attached with this R, that is carbon, and one is hydrogen, and this hydrogen is necessary. Okay, it means if this group are necessary for aldehyde. So in combined form we can written as RCHO, and this CHO group are known as aldehydic group. Okay, so when carbon attached with hydrogen and other carbon containing double bond known as aldehydic group. Example, CH3, CHO. This group is known as aldehyde group or aldehydic group. So aldehydes are those organic compound which contain carbonyl compound in which the carbon of carbonyl compound attached with other carbon and one hydrogen. Hydrogen are necessary. Okay, so in case of aldehyde. Now what about the ketones? Okay, in case of ketone, the carbon of carbonyl compound, okay, carbon double bond oxygen. Okay, this is the carbonyl compound. The valency of carbon is 4, out of 4, 2 are satisfied with oxygen having double bond. Now in case of ketone, for ketone, look here, the carbon of carbonyl compound, for ketone, the carbonyl compound, the carbon of carbonyl compound attached with two carbon, attached with two carbon. Two carbon means two alkyl group. Means, look here, R, C, double bond O, R, where R is alkyl group. For example, CH3, C, double bond O, CH3. Okay, now look here, it can also be written as CH3, C, okay, now look here, the carbon of carbonyl compound attached with two carbon. It is necessary that the carbon of carbonyl compound attached with two carbon in case of ketone. Okay, so this is the example of ketone. Okay, so simply aldehyde and ketone means aldehyde group. Aldehyde group means CHO group. Compound containing CHO group are known as aldehyde, whereas in case of ketone, the carbon of carbonyl compound attached with two alkyl group. Okay, so these are the ketone. Okay, So these are the definition and introduction of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, carbonyl compounds are important, that is carbonyl group. Compounds containing carbonyl group are known as aldehyde, ketone or carboxylic acid. But how can we differentiate between aldehyde and ketone? In case of aldehyde, carbonyl group attached with one hydrogen and hydrogen are necessary with one carbon atom. In case of ketone, the carbonyl group attached with two alkyl group. Example this one. Okay, now next we study classification of aldehyde and ketones. Now both aldehyde and ketones having carbonyl group, then that is why their preparation and properties are approx same. Okay, so next classification of aldehyde and ketone. Next part, that is classification of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, now look here, aldehyde. Firstly, aldehyde divided into two categories, that is aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde. Okay, now aliphatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehyde means aliphatic aldehyde means कि only alkyl group attached with carbonyl compounds. So it is known as aliphatic aldehyde. Means alkyl group, only alkyl group attached with carbonyl group. Look here, example H C double bond O H. Okay. Now next, this is the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Look here, this group are known as aldehyde, aldehydic group, formaldehyde. Now next example, CH3 CH2 C double bond H. Okay. Now this is the 1 2 3. Okay. Common name is propanaldehyde. Okay. Now CH3 C double bond O H, acetaldehyde. Okay, these are the example of aliphatic aldehyde in which only alkyl group attached with carbonyl group. Now aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde means the aldehydic group, that is aldehydic group means C double bond O H. Okay, you can also written as CHO. Okay, aromatic aldehyde means the CHO group attached with benzene ring. Okay, now these aromatic compound, aromatic aldehydes are further classified into two groups. First category in which these CHO group are directly attached with benzene ring. For example, look here, C double bond O H. Okay, now look here, in this case CHO group, that is this aldehydic group, directly attached with this benzene ring. Okay, the first category. Now second category of aromatic aldehyde is that when CHO group is not directly attached with benzene ring. Look here, CH2 C double bond O H. Now compare these two aromatic aldehyde. Look here, in this case CHO group, that is aldehydic group, directly attached with benzene ring, whereas CHO group not directly attached with this benzene ring. Now the name of this compound is benzaldehyde. Okay, and now look here, what is the name of this compound? Look here, this group is known as phenyl. Okay, and look here, CH2CHO. Phenyl, this phenyl group is attached with this CH2. First it is CH3CHO, then one hydrogen are replaced by this phenyl group. Okay, so the name is phenyl acetate. Okay, so aldehyde classified into two, aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic means only alkyl group attached with carbonyl compounds are aldehydic group. When benzene ring attached with when benzene ring attached with aldehydic group, then aldehyde are known as aromatic aldehyde, and it further classified into two category. First, in which CHO group directly attached with benzene ring. This is the example benzaldehyde. And another category is that when CHO group, that is aldehydic group, not directly attached with benzene ring. Now phenyl acetate. So these are about the classification of aldehydes. Now next, ketone. Okay, so ketone, general representation of ketone is CR, C11O R. Okay, now and both are alkyl group, means alkyl group are this carbon attached with two carbon atom. So look here, ketones are divided into two categories. First one is symmetrical. Okay, symmetrical means the group present both sides around the carbonyl compound are same. Look here, example CH3, C11O, CH3. Now this is carbonyl group, and around the carbonyl group both sides are same. Both substituents or both groups are same. Look at CH3 and CH3. So this type of condition are known as symmetrical ketone. Okay, in which both groups are same. This is the carbonyl group and CH3 and CH3. Both groups are same. When both groups are same, then ketone are known as symmetrical ketone. Example this one, and the common name of this is acetone. Acetone. Okay, now another example. Look here. Another example of symmetrical ketone. This is the carbonyl group, and in both sides there is phenyl group. Okay, so these are the example of symmetrical ketone. Now next, unsymmetrical ketone. Okay, so the meaning of name unsymmetrical means both groups are different. Look here, CH3, C11O, C2H5. Look here, this is the carbonyl group, and here CH3 group, and right side here CH3 and here C2H5, that is methyl and ethyl. So both groups are different. When both groups are different and the carbon of carbonyl compound combined with two carbon atoms, then that ketone are known as unsymmetrical ketone. Okay, these are the example of unsymmetrical ketone. Okay, now another example CH3, C11O. Now next, here CH3 group and here phenyl group. So these are the example of unsymmetrical ketone. Okay, so these are the classification of aldehyde and ketones. Now another classification of ketones on the basis of aliphatic and aromatic. That is aliphatic ketone and aromatic ketone. Now aliphatic ketone means only alkyl group are attached. These are the example of aliphatic ketone. These are the example of aliphatic ketone and ketonic group. This is also known as when these carbon attached with two carbon atom, then it is known as ketonic group. Okay, so these are the example of aliphatic ketone, and these are the example of aromatic ketone. Okay, and another diaryl ketone. Diaryl ketone means there are two phenyl group. Example these are the example of diaryl ketone. Okay, so these are the classification of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, now in next video we will discuss preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Thank you.